If you've ever been looking for funding for business or personal use, even real estate investing, well, you've come to the right place. I help people raise capital for real estate investing, personal and business use. Everyone needs capital, and I can help you acquire the money that you need. And if it's real estate investments you're looking for, my team specializes in finding 20 to 50 profitable courthouse auction properties every single month. Have you been struggling to find money and then your first or next real estate deal? My name is Romeo Sykes, and I assist entrepreneurs with good credit get the funding they need so they can pursue their business goals. So if you're a business owner with excellent credit that needs capital to grow and expand or buy new equipment or add vehicles to your company, it doesn't matter. You still need capital to grow. But if you're a real estate investor looking for money in deals, then you've also come to the right place, because I can help you find, fund, fix, and flip 10 to 50 high profit real estate deals every month using my custom built Courthouse auction software system. So if you're interested in raising capital for your business, personal use, and my personal favorite, acquiring funding for profitable real estate deals that I source at the Courthouse auction for you with my secret software that predictably finds deals using my real estate system that you can earn big profits with. So to get funding or learn more about buying Courthouse auction deals, click the red button.